Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can insert LUTs to your videos in CapCut PC. So I'm just going to select this video here, and to insert the LUT just go to the adjustments tab, go to LUT and select import, and I'm just going to import the LUT from here. I'm just going to import these cube files. Just select everything and press enter. Then you're just going to select the one that you want to add to your video. Ooh, I quite like this one. You can adjust the intensity here as well. But that is pretty much it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.